Slava Ukraini, guys! In today's video I'd like to tell you about one of the Everbook's biggest benefits. At the same time, that happens to be the most underrated feature of them all. I'm talking about the ability to use basically any type of paper in it. This could be A4, A5, A6, letter size, or even a passport size you would like to. But not only the size won't matter, it's also about the type and quality of the paper. In my opinion, being able to use scrap paper is so much more convenient than just buying expensive refills every time when you have finished your notebook insert, or just buying another new notebook. I have a whole box filled with some damaged or wasted papers. I mean, haven't you experienced at least a few times through your life that you will waste a page if you jot something down here, or you just simply don't want to put any grocery list right next to a super important deep thought that you're having this notebook filled with? So lately I have started using old used paper, such as my son's used school workbooks and so on. I'm even using misprinted sheets, as you can see. And I truly believe that all those sheets bring some character to my notebook. So you just start looking at napkin, postcard, or just a regular paper as a part of your notebook. The whole world becomes your new page. So I dare you not to throw away all those pages that you have used. Give them another life. Just let them be a part of your notebook and collect some useful information.